meeting of Sportaculars Mampaba 2025 has taken place. Today's focus is on volleyball tournament, which is one of the most anticipated events in this annual sports celebration. Right now I'm with Andina, she is a organizing committee. Can I add something, Andina?
Sure, you can ask everything about the games.
Okay. The question is, what is your hope for this volleyball tournament, and do you have a score prediction for the opening match?
Okay, I hope in this match, this tournament and this game, I hope it's going to be very and smooth. And for the I predict it might end 21 to 10 for a class 12.
Wow. Let's see if the score comes true. Thank you, Andina, for the time. So that highlight of today, technical meeting for Sportaculars Mampaba. Players are ready, supporters are excited, and the stage is set for thrilling volleyball match. Stay tuned for more updates and see you at the tournament.